Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box and will require uninstalling the glove box to gain access. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Remove the two clips that secure the glove box door by its hinges. Pull the two clips towards the middle with your fingers or use a pair of pliers. Remove the filter housing door. Uninstall the bolt on the filter housing using an 8mm socket. Remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filters from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1095 filters into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the bolt. Reinstall the glove box door. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box. Once the glove box is aligned, reinstall the two securing clips by threading them through and pushing until secure. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.